Hey everyone, it's Laynie and we're back in the kitchen and my bestie's back. Aren't you guys excited? You loved the last video. Today we're not doing keto. Today we're doing actual real sugar and we're doing a
Tres Leches cake.
She says it much better than I do. But I'm really excited. I don't think I've ever had this cake and she tells me it's amazing. So let's just get started. Okay guys, I will also link down below the recipe we're following. We also made our own sweetened condensed milk for this, so I'll link that down below. And yeah, so follow along if you're making it.
This feels right.
Does that feel right?
Yes.
So this is our sweetened condensed milk that we made from scratch. It is currently cooling. It needs to be totally cool before we use it. We need to sift 1.5 cups flour. I'm using Swan's Down powder. Favorite flour.
Baking
flour.
Cake flour.
Alma says this is the best one, so I've watched a video on this and they've recommended that one. And then also we need to put in 1 teaspoon of baking powder and sift them together. Do you know what sift means? I don't think I have a sifter. I'm probably going to just stir it up with like a spoon or something. She made a face. A big glob's gonna come.
Yeah, that's why it said sweat. That's why it said sift.
Okay. Well, we'll figure out a way to sift it. She's still not used to being on camera.
Hi.
This might help a little bit. Kind of just want to make sure it's not chunky. This is what I'm doing because I don't have a sifter. I'm just kind of fluffing it with a fork. Going in. Woo! 1/2 cup butter. 1 cup sugar. Yeah, I'll throw that away. She's getting a lot of sugar.
I know. Put it in here now.
Yep. Hang from the ceiling and get the shots, honey. That's all that matters.
What?
It says 1/2 teaspoon vanilla, but I'm going crazy and adding 1 teaspoon. Do you think we should run it when we add the eggs?
Yeah.
Okay. My bestie over here is running from the camera. She's scared. But I want to let you guys know, first of all, I can't believe I'm making a cake that's not from a box. Who am I right now? And then it smells delicious already. I'm pretty pumped. Okay, the next step is going to be pour batter into a prepared pan. Bake for 30 minutes.
And from the last video, we did learn that we only fill it halfway, right, Laynie?
That's right.
I think you're getting her nervous. She's nervous.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube video.
She's taking over my channel. 30 minutes. We better set a timer.
These will go in for 30 minutes.
Okay.
1.5 cups heavy whipping cream. I did pop this in the freezer so it's extra cold. You know what, I might just do 2 cups because we are having 2 cakes. Okay. Then we're slowly going to add 1 cup powdered sugar. I just powdered this myself. just me taking it out.
Hello, we're back again.
We gotta poke our holes in our cake using our Midwestern pride right here. Boom, 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 boom. You think I've done enough holes?
No, keep going.
Okay. 2 cups whole milk. Let's see, 1 12-ounce can evaporated milk. Okay, I should put words at the bottom. Reenactment. All the time! We're running out of time!
Not enough time. No, it's about to be running.
That's really running.
How else would it get in the holes?
Okay, so what you want to do is, and then try putting it in the sides. Don't do it in the middle. Do it on the side.
Okay.
Because the middle gets the most moist and you want it to be on the side.
Maybe I should pour it slower so it goes down those holes. It definitely absorbed quite a bit of milk. She told me I could add some later before we get ready to serve it. I'm so glad we could have another girls' day and get together and bake. She has to go take her son to work. So she's gonna head out. I'm gonna let the cake cool more and then frost it with the cool up later, and I'm sending her home with the cake, so I hope it's good. Text me.
Thanks.
Hey guys, it's 10 p.m. now, and this has been chilling in the fridge. I have some leftover of the milk. I'm gonna put this on and then frost it with the whipped cream and try it out. Mama told me to stay around the edges of the cake because the center will absorb the most. Then I wanted to put a little bit of cinnamon because I don't have any strawberries. Makes it a little extra pretty. It's not as moist as I would have thought for how much milk we put in there. Maybe that's why it calls for so much milk. So I did go ahead and add a little bit more milk to the plate just to add a little more moisture, and here is the real taste test.
I'll give it a try here. Really good.
Alright guys, that's everything. I think I've learned a few things. Again, whenever you cook something for the first time, you learn something. I think next time I'm going to put more holes. She told me you can never have too many holes. I felt like I was putting too many holes, but I don't think I did. Even more holes, and I'm also going to cook my evaporated milk even longer. But yeah, that is everything for this video. I'm now going to dish this out and give it to our friends. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I would love, love, love for you to join the Lash Fam. And as always, please try to stay positive, because at the end of the day, that is truly all we can try to do. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.